Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Snapchat pin conversation not working issue on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, let me show you how you can pin a conversation. For that, you'll need to open up your Snapchat application and after that click on the chat icon. Now for example, I want to pin this conversation, so you need to long press on it, and as you long press on it, you'll be able to see a list of options. So what you'll need to do is you need to click on chat settings, and as you click on chat settings, once again you'll be able to see multiple options. So in order to pin a conversation, you need to click on pin conversation. As you can see, this particular person has been pinned, and you'll also be able to see a pin icon just next to the user ID, and this way you can pin a conversation. However, if you're unable to pin a conversation, first reason might be that you guys are not friends. If you're not friends on Snapchat, then you'll not be able to pin a conversation. Now let's say that if you're friends with this particular person or the user and you're still unable to pin a conversation, then you can simply check for the update. For that, you need to open up your Google Play Store, and after that on the search box type in Snapchat. In case if you have update next to your Snapchat icon, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application. However, after updating your application as well, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply clear cache and data. For that, you need to long press on your Snapchat app and then click on this eye icon. Once you click on the eye icon, next page you'll be taken to the app info page. Now click on storage, and on this page click on clear cache as well as clear data. After clearing your storage or your data, you will be logged out of your account. So re-logging into your account and then you'll be able to fix the issue. So those are the method on how you can fix Snapchat pin conversation not working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.